Hey guys, let's make a basil tea today. Basil is really, really good for your health. It's great to cleanse out your liver. It's a good anti-inflammatory. It's a great antioxidant. It's good for your immune system, but it's also really, really good for an upset tummy. We're gonna use Mediterranean basil today, but if you can find Tulsi, this would be, which is the Holy Basil, the Asian kind, this would be the same way that you make this tea. Please sub if you haven't subbed, and let's make this. For our tea, we're just gonna cut up our basil, including the stem. This is washed, right? I'm gonna add about 1.5 cups of water. We're gonna bring this to a boil. I'm gonna reduce the heat and we're gonna let this simmer for about 5 minutes. All right, so this simmered for about 5 minutes. I'm just gonna let it steep for another 5 before I drink it. By the way, I have about 5 basil leaves, I didn't tell you. All right, we're gonna strain this. You can enjoy your tea just like this, or you can add a little lemon to it and some honey. Salud. This is very wonderful. My whole body is thanking me right now. And I can just feel it going down so easily. Very, very soothing and very nice for you.